A very pleasant morning to all of you. Today, I, Richa Parekh from St. Thomas High School, Mahua, am here to further continue with the subject of English grammar for the students of class 6th. My dear students, during the previous class, we studied about conjunctions, how and where the different types of conjunctions are used in order to join or connect the sentence. Now let's see the further part of the conjunctions. Usefulness of conjunctions, point number 4. Conjunctions expressing time relations are after, before, since, when, until, etc. So when in a sentence we need to express the time relations, at that time we will use the following types of conjunctions. They are after, before, since, until, when, and many more. Let's see the example. She was packing the bag when I got in. So at the time when she was packing the bag, at that time the particular person got inside. So here, in order to express the time, we used when as a part of conjunction. Call me after you reach Chennai. So once you are reaching Chennai, call me after that. So here it also expresses the time. It has been 8 years since I went there first. So here the combination of the sentences, since it has been 8 years. So 8 years is also considered as a time span. Therefore we used since in order to connect or link the sentence. The noise will not stop until the repair work is over. Let's see the further point. Conjunctions like where and wherever are used to add place details to the sentence. So, when we need to indicate any kind of place, we will use where or wherever. Let's see the example. Wait for me where you see a red gate. I will come wherever you want me to come. So, here wherever and where used in both the sentences add the place details. Because, as, and since indicate cause or reason. So when we are going to give any kind of cause or reason to the particular sentence, we will use because, as, or since. I am not going to the singing class because I have a sore throat. So here the reason is given that why I am not going to the singing class. See the next example. The show was cancelled as few people turned up. So there were only few people. It was the cause why the show was cancelled. Though and although show concessions. Send the application though it is late. She cleans this room regularly although no one uses it. So when there is a kind of concession, always though and although are used. Conjunctions that introduce a conditions are if and unless. If he comes, show him this room. I can't pay you unless I get some money from my uncle. So when some kind of conditions are applied to the sentence, at that time we will use if and unless. As if, and as though shows the manner in which something is done. A particular kind of work in a particular manner, when it is done, we will always use as if, and as though in order to complete the sentence or link the sentence. He did as he was told. He behaved as if he was mad. So here, the kind of manner, the kind of behavior which a particular person or a kind of thing which a particular person completes in a particular manner, at that time we will use as if, and as though. My dear students, now we are going to start with the exercise of this chapter. Let's see the first exercise. Circle the conjunctions in the following sentence. So here we need to circle the conjunctions. First one is, when you find the key, you must find the key wherever it is. So here wherever is used as a connection which shows the place. So here the conjunction is wherever. It gets very cold here when it rains. So here when indicates the time. Let's see the third one. We would like to what would you like to have? Coffee or a cold drink? So here the choice is given between coffee and cold drink. So the conjunction in this sentence is or. The rocket exploded before it fell into the sea. So here before is used to indicate the time. Augustine neither came to India nor contacted us. So here neither and nor are the part of the conjunctions. The rest of the conjunctions is what you need to find by yourself. I will be sharing a PDF file in which the answers to the following is given. But I request you children that you must try this exercise by your own and then check the answers from the PDF so that you can come to know that whether the concepts of this chapter are clear or not. Let's see exercise number 2. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences using the appropriate conjunctions from the box given below. The first one is, write the answer dash you were taught. So here the answer to this fill up is, write the answer as you were taught. The police took away the ashtray dash it had fingerprints on it. So the answer to this is, the police took away the ashtray because it had fingerprints on it. Let's see exercise number 3. Correct and rewrite the following sentences using the correct conjunctions. I want to change my seat after I cannot see properly from here. So the answer to this question will be, I want to change my seat because I cannot see properly from here. Here we will use because it indicates the cause or it indicates the reason that why I want to change my place. Chocolate or tea is not a good combination. So here there is no comparison made between chocolate and tea, but here the link between the chocolate and tea is shown. So the answer to this will be, chocolate and tea is not a good combination. My dear students, here we are at the end of today's video. In the very next class, we will continue with the next chapter. So till then, write this chapter in your fair book. Thank you and have a nice day.